Getting an advance on your pay can be a lifesaver, but the first hurdle is my bank supported? Knowing which financial institutions work with a service like Beforepay is key to a smooth experience. The good news is that Beforepay, a popular pay advance and budgeting app in Australia, connects with a huge number of banks and financial institutions. They are constantly working to expand their coverage, but right now, they support over 70 different banks. This extensive list includes all of Australia's Big Four banks. So, if you're with Commonwealth Bank, CommBank, Westpac, ANZ, or NAB, National Australia Bank, you're in luck. These major banks are all fully compatible, allowing you to easily link your salary account. Beyond the Big Four, Beforepay has integrated with many other well-known banking names. This includes popular choices like ING, Macquarie Bank, St. George Bank, Bendigo Bank, Bank of Queensland, BOQ, Suncorp Bank, and Great Southern Bank, formerly CUA. They also support numerous credit unions and smaller regional banks across the country. We're talking about places like Heritage Bank, Defence Bank, Kudos Bank, Bank SA, Bank of Melbourne, and so many more. The crucial thing to remember is that to be eligible for a pay advance, you must connect the bank account where your salary is regularly deposited. This allows the app to securely verify your income and spending habits to determine your cash out limit. If you don't see your specific bank listed here, don't panic. The full, up-to-date list is available directly in the Beforepay app or on their official website Help Center. If you still can't find it, you can even send a request to their customer support team to have your bank considered for future integration. So, in short, yes, Beforepay supports the major players, plus a huge range of other Australian financial institutions. Connecting your bank is simple, secure, and the essential first step to getting your pay in advance when you need it. Check the app today to confirm your bank and get started.